Hey everyone, welcome back to our live stream. Today we are going to talk about a coin that has been making us some big moves, and that coin is RVN. As you can see, RVN has risen by more than 60% today, which is a huge gain. In the 4-hour time frame, we can see a big long wick candle showing that 0.027 is a significant resistance level for now. This presents a good opportunity for us to short RVN with low leverage. The entry point is looking good between 0.023 to 0.022. We all set our stop loss at 0.027. Yesterday, I shared some trades with you, including RPL, TRB, and me, and I am happy to say that they all performed well. RPL, we have already closed out, and me, we have already hit our first target at zero point 0.9. Our short trade on me is working quite nicely, and we are looking to hit our next target to zero point 0.8. We opened that trade at 1.05, so it's been a great move so far. TRB is also performing well, and we are looking to hit our next target soon. And I told you many times that you don't need to leave the live stream in order to trade. You can directly click points from strategy option and also in related points tab. Now let's take a closer look at RVN. As you can see, I have drawn a Fibonacci level from a very long candle, and RVN has broken out of the golden zone. It's also trading below the VWAP in the 15-minute time frame. We all wait for the price to touch the 0.03, sorry, 0.0232, 0.022 zone again before entering our trade. Maybe the price will reach up to 0.024, but that is not necessary. Now let's calculate our risk to reward ratio. As you can see, I am going to click on the short position and I have drawn our risk to reward ratio. Our stop loss is above the recent long wick candle and our target is almost double than the stop loss. If we look at the longer time frame, we can see that our target is a previous resistance level, which we will use as our take profit level. We also have a new support level which makes this trade worth taking. As I always mention, you don't need to leave the live stream to trade. You can click on the pinned coins or related coins and you can trade without searching for the coins or without leaving the live stream. It's easy for you, and I always provide reasons for each trade so it's easier for you to decide. For now, we will wait a little bit more. I might take the trade sooner and I will add more to the trade when it reaches our target. As always, I am talking to you like the way I am analyze points for myself as well. Let's summarize the trade. We are looking to short again with not so high leverage, and our entry point is between 0.023 to 0.022. Our stop loss is at 0.027 and our target is almost double than the stop loss. We are looking for a risk to reward ratio for at least 1.2. At it means our profit will be double if our stop loss is hit still. So such trades worth. Your profit must be double then the price of your stop loss. And this trade, it is also the same. And as always, I told you to prepare trade before entering all levels, including take profit, stop loss, which I also mentioned. You can adjust according to your strategy as well. I hope this trade analysis help you to make an informed decision. And if you are looking for a potential short-term trading opportunity on RBN, this will worth considering. Let's keep an eye on RBN and see how it plays out. So you can trade and see how I trade. And now in live stream, it's a good thing. You can share your trades with everyone so others can see which trade you already take and are planning to trade. If you have any question, you can ask me in chat below regarding this trade and I will try to answer it.